Hello everyone, welcome to the global launch of the OPPO Find X3 series. The new Find X3 Pro represents the latest summit of our human-centric, high-end design journey.
Find X3 Pro is equipped with a 6.7-inch native 10-bit curved screen.
With a space-age design, the aesthetic is futuristic, with a unique high-end element.
It is the first Android device to adopt the 10-bit full-pass color management system. Fabulous! What about camera?
Find X3 Pro helps redefine how users see color through their smartphone lens.
With just a simple tap,
We believe it will bring you a new smartphone experience.
However, futuristic.
powerful, 1 billionth color.
It's time to take a peek at the key features that make this possible and set a new standard for high-end smartphone experience.
Vibrant future.